We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Hi friends, welcome to Dance World. I know everybody in the world are happy because Christmas is near. And everybody have Christmas trees, Christmas stars and decorated their house. But during this lockdown, some decorations we cannot buy. What? We can make Christmas decorations. So what should we make? We can make Christmas star decorations because it's the best. And it's also made from paper. And it's gonna be so easy. Only few papers and you can make the amazing decorations for Christmas. Everybody loves Christmas. I love Christmas, you love Christmas, everybody loves Christmas. So let's go to the video and see how amazingly we can make the star. See the star. See I have made the design for it. I made it. It's awesome. So today we are going to make the same one with red color. And it's going to be awesome. I love it. So we can make one more and show you guys, and you can also make it. And it will be awesome. We can decorate our house and have a happy time. So let's make it. So we are going to make a red color star. So the items needed for this are papers. I took a red colored paper and we need 5 sheets. Because there are 5 triangles in the star, right? So we need 5 papers and we need a pencil to mark the lines and also scissors to cut, a scale to see how many centimeters we need and give a proper line, and a glue. We can take a normal glue, no need of hard glue because it's so easy to make a star. We need a normal glue, and if you have these items, I know you have items, so if you have these items, you can make a new star and it's going to be awesome.
So friends, first we can take a piece of paper, and what you should do is, you should fold it from one side to the other side. You should fold it from the width to the length, like this. And be careful that it should be folded in a triangle form. If you fold it, the last it should be like a triangle. And the corners, the upper corner should be perfectly aligned. It should be sharp. And you can fold it like this and also sharpen it with your nails. So after that we have made a crease. Now what you should do is, you should fold the triangle left over from the triangle fold. You should fold it and make a crease. You see this line left over, right? You should fold that part. It's not needed, so you should fold that part and make a crease, for it should be visible to cut it over. For cutting it should be visible, so we should make a very nice crease. Now what you should do is, you should cut the fold away. You can cut it carefully. Be careful that no mistakes should come, because we should have the whole triangle very carefully. Now we have cutted the triangle. Now we should open the triangle and it should be looking like a diamond shape. Now what you should do is, you should fold the corners, this side to the middle, like this. And it should also be very perfectly aligned. You know, like making an aeroplane. It should be perfectly aligned. Now what you should do is, you have made a crease. You should make a very hard crease, so it will be perfect. Now you should take a scale and you should mark 1 centimeter. You should mark 1 centimeter from the middle line. We should mark 1 centimeter from the middle line in the other side. Yeah, we have marked 1 centimeter. Now what you should do is, you should bring the other side, but only 1 centimeter along with the 1 centimeter line. You should fold it. Then only it will be easy to put glue on it. So you should stick it 1 centimeter away from the middle line. We folded it 1 centimeter away from the middle line. Make a crease. You should be careful that it should be a perfect crease. Now we can take a glue and you should put the glue along with the 1 centimeter line. You should put glue over there, and what you should do is you should stick this other side, which we have made a distance from 1 centimeter to that side. Now we have sticked it. Now what you should do is you should take a scale and you can take a pencil and mark 4 centimeters away from the bottom line. Now we have marked. Now what you should do is you should form like a triangle from the middle line to the other corners that you see, like this. Now we have made a mark. Now we should mark 1 centimeter from the corner of the triangle we have just drawn. 1 centimeter. Be careful, it should be 1 centimeter. And also draw a triangle over there. Yes, we have drawn triangle. Now what you should do is you should take a scissors and you should cut it along with the line. You should be careful that all the triangles are cut along with it. So cut it properly and be careful. Yes, we have cut it down. Like you see, we have both the triangles visible and clear. Now what you should do is you should mark 1 centimeter also on the bottom corners on the triangle. So after it, what you should do is you should cut them out. Now what you should do is you should fold the edges along with the triangle. You see we have cut 1 centimeter from the triangle and the corners, right? So you should fold up the one side like that. Yes, like this. Yes. Now we have folded the edges. You should fold it like this, and you should cut off the extra parts coming out from the triangle's folds. Cut off the extra parts. We only need that fold. The other parts are not needed. Yeah, so we have cutted them. Now what you should do is you should cut the other edges, and the triangle's line should be perfectly lined. No mistakes should come. So you should cut the other corner. In the corner you can see there is some mistake in the fold, so you can cut the other mistakes that you see in the fold and make a perfect triangle. Yes, so we have did everything is done. Now everything is done and it's all perfect. Now what you should do is you should make 5 of them. Now we have made 5 of them. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now what you should do is you should take one of the star pieces, and you should open it. Yes, like that. And you should open the folds. You should open the other one's hole also, and also you should open the folds and also glue the folds inside. So friends, we have also stick this. See, the bottom part is ready. Now you should take other pieces and also stick its flaps to this part, and you should continue with all the 5 of them.
let's do it. So friends, we have sticked all the 5 parts. See, when you stretch you can see all the 5 are there. Now what you should do is, you can see some folded parts over here. You should cut them out. So friends, we have cut it like you see. Now what you should do is, you can take a needle, a sharp metal needle, and you should punch a hole in the center. You can make it more bigger for us to see. You should only make a hole in one layer, and also do it in the other side, the opposite side. Yes, we have punched hole and it is visible. Now we can take a pin like this, and you should insert it to the hole, and you should make that hole bigger. So we have punched the hole. Now what we should do is, we should take a piece of thread like this. We should put it near the hole, over the hole, and with the help of a pin, you should try to insert it inside the hole. So friends, we have inserted it. You should do the same thing both the side like this. You should go from here to here and from here to here. Now you should pull it like this. You can take these parts. You can make it more bigger. These parts too. And you should bring it like this, and you should tie this little thread. See, we made a new star. It looks awesome, right? I love it. You can even, if you want, you can poke holes all over this, and you can decorate it, and it's gonna be awesome. Believe me, it's looking awesome. You can add some decorations, and add some color papers, so it can look awesome. Did you like this? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. When you subscribe, you can see a bell icon over there. Just press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications when I upload new videos like this. Do you want to get all notifications? Then go and subscribe and press the bell icon so fast, so you can receive all the notifications. So, do you like this job? Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Until the next video, it's me, Dan, saying you bye and signing off.